Hello everyone, I am Amarjeet from Amar PTE classes. Today I made a list of common mistakes that people make during reading and writing section of PTE. Let's start. First is using the word the, means where we can use the word the and where we cannot use the word the. Here are some examples of using the word the. We use the when only one of something exists in that area, such as the police, the cinema, the hospital, the train station, the airport, the bus stand, etc. It is also used when there is only one of something in the entire world, for example, the atmosphere, the sun, the sky, the sea, among many others. The can also be used with cardinal numbers. Now, what are the cardinal numbers? Such as the first, the second, the third, the fourth, and so on. We can use it with superlatives. Superlative represent the highest degree, or we can say it is the adjective plus adverb. Some examples of superlative are the best, the worst, the tallest, the shortest, the prettiest, and many more. It can be used with the names of countries where name refers to a group of states or islands like the USA, the UK, and the Middle East. Now, it is also used before nouns that describing general actions or activities. For example, we took our cars to the racetrack. Now, race is the describing action or the activity, and we can use the before the noun. Next is the is also used before abstract nouns that are describing a process or a situation. For example, the frequency of customers increased after the summer sale. Now, frequency represent the situation or a process, or it is the abstract noun, and we can use the before the abstract noun. Now, next is where we cannot use the word the. We do not use the before something that is plural. It is also wrong to use the when mentioning a single place like a country or a city. Now next is noun. First, what is noun? A noun is a word used as the name of a person, place or thing. For example, Akbar, Rose, sun, courage, etc. Now first is unaccountable nouns. Some nouns in English are unaccountable. This means that they will always be in their singular form. Some of the more common unaccountable nouns that students mistake are advice, advertising, knowledge, food, traffic, entertainment, and happiness. If a noun is unaccountable, it is wrong to use plural form of it. Now next is the noun verb agreement. This is yet another common mistake. The noun and verb must always agree with each other, meaning that if the noun is plural, the verb must be plural as well. For example, there is kids in the playground is incorrect, but there are kids in the playground is the correct sentence. Now next is where we can use the articles, means use of articles before noun phrases, where we can include a and an. We should include a and before a combination of adjective and singular noun. For example, an incredible sight, a large house, a delicious steak, etc. Next is commas. When we are writing, we often link ideas. To do this, we use words like however, moreover, furthermore, in conclusion, as a result, and so on. For example, in conclusion, it is important to do practice to get good score. Means we place comma after in conclusion, as a result, furthermore, however, and moreover. Next is the verb tenses. Verb tenses means using the wrong tenses is yet another common and a major error in PTE. Using the correct tense is a crucial part of your grammar, so make sure you do them right. Next is the apostrophe. Now first, what is apostrophe? Apostrophes are very important. They can change the entire meaning of your sentence if placed incorrectly. So make sure you understand them. Apostrophe are used for multiple purposes. They are used to make contractions and shorten words, such as changing I will to I will or should not to shouldn't. Also used to show possession, such as we went to beach in David's new car. These are the apostrophes. Next is the common spelling mistakes. People often make spelling mistakes as well, and while it's difficult to be perfect, there is a trick to make lesser mistakes. Means the trick is simple: read out aloud when rechecking your work. This is simple and extremely effective. Next is the prepositions after adjectives and nouns. This is a problem faced by many students. They often get confused about which preposition to place after the adjective or a noun. Below are some common prepositions. First is at. We use at when we are talking about a skill or ability, such as bad at something, good at something, amazing at something, talented at something. Next is about. About is usually used with adjectives of feeling to explain the cause of them. Happy is a feeling, so you can use about to tell that you were happy about the promotion, or perhaps you were nervous about your PTE exam. Next is with. With is similar to about because it too is used to talk about feelings. However, the difference is that with is used when you are referring to a person, such as you were angry with someone. Next is in. Some examples of the preposition in are fall in, get in, drop in, rise in, and so on. Next is of. Some common uses of the preposition are example of, number of, use of, made of, and many more. Next is to. This preposition is used to show the connection between two things, such as she is used to speak French every day. Next is infinitives. What is infinitives? An infinitive is to plus verb, such as to make, to cook, to understand, to search, to feel, to see, etc. And infinitive can also be used as a short form of in order to. This sentence, I cut off fatty and sugary foods in order to lose weight. This sentence can also be written using infinitive as I cut off fatty and sugary foods to lose weight. Now, some common verbs that are commonly followed by an infinitive are afford, deserve, decide, demand, hope, hesitate, manage, intend, learn, mean, need, prepare, promise, and pretend. Now next is use of gerunds. A gerund is a noun that ends in ing. Some examples of gerunds are walking, sleeping, eating, talking, exercising, singing, doing, going, and so on. When gerunds are used as a subject, they are always in the singular form, even if there are multiple objects. For example, drinking 8 glasses of water a day is the recommended amount of water for an adult. Although I said 8 glasses, I used the singular verb is. However, if there is more than one gerund in a sentence, we must use a plural verb, such as exercising and eating a balanced diet are both crucial for staying healthy. In this sentence, there were two gerunds, so I used the plural verb are. If we want to make the sentence negative, we must place not before the gerund. Next is parallelism. Now, parallelism is when you balance the grammatical structure of words, clauses, sentences, or phrases in your writing. When we are writing in the form of a series or a list, each item or word of the list or series must have the same grammatical form. A noun should be balanced with a noun, a clause with a clause, an adverb with an adverb, a verb with a verb, and so on. Some examples of the parallelism are infinitive. I wanted to go to London visiting my brother. This sentence is incorrect as the first item was an infinitive and the second was a gerund. Since the first was an infinitive, the second one must be an infinitive too. Now the correct sentence is I wanted to go to London to visit my brother. Now, these are the mistakes, and I tell you how you can improve your mistakes. And for more details and for more tips of PTE and the full course of PTE, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also call me on this number and follow my YouTube channel at the rate Amar PTE classes. You can also mail me your queries in the comment box or my email ID amarpteclasses at the rate gmail.com. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share my videos. Thank you.